So this is the Gantao Garden. This is the Gantao place. A place where full of good flowers and great view, of course. Colorful and very interesting right here. This is located in Zamboanga del Norte. A lot of tourists are really coming here, and Oliver's drone is with us, and of course you can see a footage of this from a drone's perspective later. It's basically a botanical garden, and it's lovely because it's cold in here, and there's a lot of Gantao as we talk about the Gantao. The drone is flying very low, so we'll climb at that side and we'll check what we can see from there. So we'll have a walk around right here in the Gantao place. It's a simple plants, nothing extraordinary, but because they are planted plenty here, it's quite enticing and very attractive to the eyes, especially if you're a flower, if you're a plantito or plantita. You love this place right here. I think I need to. So that's the Gantao. Gantao, kung baliho na nimo, mahimo na siyang butanganan sa mananaw. Okay?
Give me just a minute, we can talk it out. Draw a line in the sand, then we'll cross it now. I know my time is up, yeah, I've been too loud. Give me just a minute, we can talk it out. Oh yeah, you know I wanna mind, then just go. If you said that you need your space, over and above, you kept looking for my love, but you found linger on my face. Don't tell me it's over, no, yeah, we can try to make it work. Give me just a minute to prove myself, and I'll stop making it hurt. Stop making it hurt. Give me just a minute. Stop making it hurt. Oh, give me just a minute. Stop making it hurt. Give me just a minute. Stop making it hurt. Give me just a minute, we can talk it out. I tried so hard just to keep it inside. Got angry at you while I was fighting my mind. I broke all my promises, I took it too far. Let me put back together your broken heart. Oh yeah, you know I wanna mind, then just go. If you said that you need your space, over and above, you kept looking for my love, but you found linger on my face. Don't tell me it's over, no, yeah, we can try to make it work. Give me just a minute to prove myself, and I'll stop making it hurt. Stop making it hurt. Give me just a minute. Stop making it hurt. Oh, give me just a minute. Stop making it hurt. Give me just a minute. Stop making it hurt. Give me just a minute, we can talk it out. I know words can hurt, I regret what I said. All the things that I said, yeah, I take them back. Cause my past ain't a reason to hurt you now. So give me one more chance and I'll turn it around. I'll stop making it hurt. Oh, give me just a minute. I'll stop making it hurt. Oh, give me just a minute. Stop making it hurt.